Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to gradient a picture in Photoshop for two way. I apply step 1, right click on your mouse, rectangular marquee tool, click and drag it, then create a new layer, click the gradient, right click on your mouse, select the gradient, click the drop down menu, use transparent, select your color. Example, I select this color red, then click and drag it. Okay, then press Ctrl D, multiply, liner dogs. Now see this, many options. You can choose your filter. I recommended this multiply. Okay, I use this color. And step 2, click and drag it, create a new layer, click the gradient, right click on your mouse, use gradient and select transparent, any color, click and drag it. Okay, then press Ctrl D, right click, select the image, this image, click and drag it up to, right click on your mask, create clipping mask. Now we can see this gradient picture. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.